Here is another video for the transmission oil change on a Jeep Wrangler JK. I wanted to do the second video because I just wanted to show you the brand new Jeep Wrangler. Comes with this. This is the plug I removed from the manual transmission on a Jeep which has got 20-something thousand miles on it. Oh my gosh, once I dig it, it comes out even worse. Let me hold this tight. See, I mean, it's nasty. It is 26,000 miles. The factory recommendation, I think it's 40,000 miles to replace those fluids, but I think you might be crazy to replace it in 40,000 miles. Even I feel myself bad. I feel bad when I see all this little bit of metal flakes in the magnet on the drain plug. In the first video, I tried to show you how to make your own special tool. 17 size 17 Allen wrench. This is part 1, and this thing kind of gets and hooks up here. I cut this and created myself a special tool, which is a number 17 Allen little wrench, I would say. It's kind of funny, but it is what it is, because I don't have a space underneath that vehicle to put my ratchets or the wrenches in. I mean, they design it so weirdly so that you have to take it to the service, otherwise, or you have to have the special tool for that. But as I said before, it is really easy to make that special tool. Here I'll show you once again. That's the original Allen wrench, and this is the part, and I use the grinder to cut it off. The mistake what I did was I cut this part too long. Make sure it's a little bit smaller than this, and I had to grind it again and again to get the exact size, because it still does not fit. I usually use the spray water while I'm doing the grinding, which is preventing the sparks and all that kind of little bit of metal flakes to get into my eye, arms, or you name it. And then I drain the oil. I will go ahead and show you those drain plugs as well once again, so that you won't have any hard times locating those plugs. Here is the fill up plug, very simple, and here is the stupid drain plug. See, it is exactly on the top of, what is it at? There you go. Yeah, this thing is exactly on the top of that exhaust pipe, and you don't have a room to go inside of it. You need a special tool. The special tool I made home with a grinder and an Allen set that you can buy from Steve's wholesale for $12.95. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't be afraid. I mean, my advice would be just remove the fill-in plug first, no matter what. Make sure that you remove this fill-in plug, because if you drain this and having hard times removing the plug on the top, then you're screwed. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.